called as the tautology. And what is fallacy? If the result of any logical statement or expression is always false or zero, it is fallacy. So what we have learned till now, we have learned about the what is Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra deals with the set of values zeros and ones. Okay, George Boole has developed it, and it is also called as the switching algebra. Then we have learned what is truth table. Truth table is nothing but a table of truth values of truth function. Okay, and if the result of any logical expression is always true, it is tautology. And if the result of any logical expression is always false, it is fallacy. Now have a look at the truth table and everybody answer which gate truth table it is. So look at the truth table and identify which gate truth table it is. Very good, Shweta. Shiv Shankaran, wrong. Look carefully. Swati also wrong. Shashank also wrong. Prerna also wrong. Mukul also wrong. Now you people, Shiv Shankaran and Swati is typing correct. Sangeet correct. So those who have answered, it is a NOR gate. How do you know? Look at here. Input is A and B. Output is, what is output? A plus B whole complement. A plus B means the logical addition, means it is OR gate. Whole complement means it is not of OR. Not of OR means NOR. Okay. So it is a NOR gate truth table. Okay. Now, so this is what we called it as a, this is just an example of a truth table is given. So those who have given the right answer, good. You are going through the notes. Okay. Next. So next is logical operators. You have studied the logical operators. So same here also. There are three logical operators: not operator, or operator, and operator. Where did you study this logical operators? Tell me. Where did you study this logical operators? We have studied this logical operators in where? What is this, Shweta? Semiconductor. Just in chapter 3, we have studied logical gate. Physics. No, I am talking about, I am a computer science lecturer. So I will not talk about the physics. I will talk about computer science only. So where did you study this in the computer science? Logical operators. First year, very good, Mukul, but in which topic? I am not asking which year and all. Which topic you have studied? See, in logic gate, you have studied the basic gates, not gate, or gate, and gate. I am asking operators. Mukul, very good. So you have studied in C++. There are three logical operators: not operator, and or operators. So the same. Here also in Boolean algebra, we will study the three logical operators: not operator, or operator, and the and operator. Function is same. There also, not operator will reverse the input. The gate also, operators also. Wherever you are using not means it will reverse the input value. So it is also called as the complementation. Complement. Zero's complement is 1, 1's complement is 0. So not operator function is complement. Okay. Then comes the OR operator. OR operator function is logical addition. Okay. And the AND operator function is logical multiplication. So the purpose is same, function is same, whether it is in the gate, whether it is in the C++ operators, or whether it is in the Boolean algebra. So not operator is complementation. The symbol used is A, and on the top of that is a one line, which we called it as a bar. So it is called, read it as a complement. Then comes the OR operator, which is logical addition. The symbol used is A plus B. Then comes the AND operator, which is logical multiplication, and the symbol used is A dot B. So this is what about the logical operators. Okay. Now the truth table for this logical operator. So you are not new about the truth table for this logical operators. It is same as you have studied it in the logic gate. So what is the truth table for this? So truth table of for NOT gate, the truth table for NOT operator, AND operator, and OR operator. NOT operator truth table is one input and one output. So 0 is the input, reverse is the output, that is 1. And 1 is the input, 0 is the output. AND gate is called as the logical multiplication. So in A, 0, 0, 1, 1, and in B, 0, 1, 0, 1. So A dot B, logical multiplication. So 0 dot 0 is 0, 0 dot 1 is 0, 1 dot 0 is 0, and 1 dot 1 is 1. Okay. Then comes the logical OR. Logical OR is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 is the input. So it is addition. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 1 is 1. So this is the truth table for the OR operator. Okay. Now, are you guys sitting with the book? Yes, ma'am. So page number 9. Open the page number 9. In the page number 9, okay, look at the question number 1. What is the another name of Boolean algebra? Now everybody, there is no need of looking into the slide. Open your chat box and answer. What is the another name of Boolean algebra? So I'm waiting for the very good. So switching algebra. Then the question number 2, look into the book. Who developed Boolean algebra? Very good. So George Boole developed the Boolean algebra. Okay. Question number 3. What is Boolean algebra? Look at the book, read and type. So Boolean algebra deals with the set of values 0 and 1. Those who don't have the book, they can go through the whatever I am telling. Boolean algebra deals with the set of values 0 and 1. Very good. Then the question number 4. What is truth table? So the any one of the definition. So truth table is a table of truth value of truth function. So next question is, what is truth table? Then look at the question number 5. What is tautology and fallacy? So first write what is tautology. You can do the fast typing and smart typing. You can copy and paste and make a change also. So what is tautology and what is fallacy? Read and type. What is tautology? Okay. So good. So this is what this one. Question number 6. Read. Explain the logical operator in Boolean algebra. So you don't try to explain. You mention the logical operators of Boolean algebra. Next question is mention the logical operators in Boolean algebra. Okay, good. So now you please remember the truth table for all. Okay. The truth table, whatever given, you have to remember. Don't get confused. And is the logical multiplication and or is the logical addition. Now, Abhinesh joined.